In this tip of the day, let's take a look at the attributes parameter when moving geometry within OneCNC. Now this is quite a powerful feature in that when you're moving your geometry, you can do things like designate a different layer or possibly a different color. Let me demonstrate. In this example, we have two solid models. We have a base and we have a cap. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make copies of this cap. So first of all, I'm going to go into select mode by hitting the letter S on the keyboard and then just simply left-hand mouse clicking. Once I'm done, I can come up to the top toolbar and select Move Copy. Now if you'll notice over here within the Command Manager, there's an option here called Attributes. Let's activate that. I'm going to left click, and here you can see we have a dialog box in which we can set up different parameters. Now the first thing I want to do is I want to make the copies of this cap on a brand new layer. So up here where it says layer, I can type in whatever I'd like. In fact, for this, I think I'm just going to add the word copy. So a new layer called cap copy is going to be created. All right, and at the same time, why don't we change the color of our copies? Let's make it, how about that purple there? Okay, so we'll click OK to that. Now what we want to do is this. I'm going to select where I want to grab the geometry. I'm going to grab it at that center point, the bottom of the pocket there. And then I'm just going to come over here, left click the center of that pocket, left click the center of that pocket, and when I'm done, I can right hand mouse click. Now you can see that the copies have been created in a separate color. Those are purple. And if I look over here within the layer browser, there's a brand new layer called Cap Copy. That's a very, very nice feature. All right, thank you so much for watching this tip of the day, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.